Hi folks, can you hear this one? This is amazing. This is the first known instance of a human getting a 3D printed organ. This woman's ear looked like this. They took some cells from her body and they grew them in the lab and they 3D printed her an ear and then attached it. And it's her ear made of her cells, and it's going to look better over time. So first time ever in history, we have given somebody a new ear made out of their own flesh that we 3D printed. And just so you know what's coming next, they're working on 3D printing lungs. So if you need a new set of lungs, they'll take some of your tissue, breed the tissue, and then print you a new set of lungs in a gelatin structure, right? Livers, they're looking at printing. This is a stunning advance in the field of tissue engineering. And down the road, they're looking at all other body parts. There's no rejection. It's your own tissue. It's your own, it's you. What a stunning development. This has been Coach Dennis with another somewhat daily science news. Coach out.